Hi there, students. To defame, a verb. Defamation, uncountable noun. Defamatory, an adjective. Okay, so to defame, defamation. This is when you make statements or write things that harm the reputation of somebody else. But notice, these statements must be false. They must be untrue. Okay, so they harm somebody's reputation and they're not true. So defamation of character. Yeah, a defamation lawsuit. Yeah, the article that I read clearly was defamation of character. It was damaging his good reputation by saying something that's bad and untrue. Let's see, you've got slander and libel. I think slander's supposed to be when you say something defamatory, and libel is when you write something defamatory. Okay, so all of these are words, phrases, things that people say, articles which injure a person's good name. They injure a person's reputation. Okay, it's something that detracts unjustifiedly from the good reputation of somebody. Calumny. Yeah, calumny is the pure definition of that, but it's calumny is quite an unusual word. So to harm or diminish somebody's reputation by disparaging them, but it needs to be something that's untrue. Yeah, to make defamatory statements. Okay, so statements that damage the reputation, they damage the good name of somebody, they slander them. Let's see, I think apparently for famous people the law is ever so slightly different. For politicians and for famous people, and I think you need to they need to prove that this was recklessly untrue, but well, I think that's just a little thing. So, to defame, to damage the reputation of a person or a group by saying bad things about them that are just not true. You are besmirching their character. You are sullying their good name. Yeah, you are smearing them. Yeah. So defamation, to defame, to damage somebody's reputation. This was a propaganda campaign to defame his political opponent. It's clear that in international politics, when there is somebody who is not liked, then the press begin to defame this person in all sorts of ways. Yeah, I think between Russia and the West at the moment, there is a lot of defamation taking place on both sides. Yeah, propaganda that's not true, but in this case it's not defamation because they're actually physically fighting already. Okay, so to defame somebody's character, to smear their good name, to cast aspersions, calumny, slander, libel, character assassination, to malign somebody, to discredit them. Yeah, to blacken their name, to slag them off. Yeah, to vilify. Yeah, to badmouth them. So I complained that the newspaper article had defamed me. Yeah, but I'm going to need a huge amount of money to pay the lawyers, so there's no point in it. Okay, so to defame, formality. This is a legal term. I think I'm going to give it a 6.5 in formality. I think informally to lie about somebody. Yeah. Use it semi-formally in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing, or a formal writing is to defame, defamation, defamatory. Yeah, this is all legal and slightly formal. And then as to origin, we've got defamer in Anglo-Norman. Yeah, which comes from fame, to decrease the fame, from Latin defamo, yeah, from fama, fame, reputation. So to decrease, to defame, to make the fame less. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. To defame, defamation, defamatory.